difficult task if they coerce us into Olo Anim state. Somebody from Imo state, somebody from OHAJI will first get to Owerri, then enter bus to Olo. So we don't want that, and we say no to that. Another reason for our agitation to remain in Imo state is that if other local governments that are oil producing will be taken to Anim or Olu state, and the OHAJI being the oil producing local government remaining in Imo state will also give Imo state an oil producing status. So meaning that if they, after creating more states in Olu state, we will have more oil producing states in southeast. So anybody saying that has a reasonable point. So let the world hear that we are not selfish in saying that we want to remain in our Imo state. Proximity from here to Owerri, you get faster than any other place. So let the National Assembly consider this very important fact and make sure that in the movement to create more states, OHAJI remains in Imo state. We also want to, we the youth of OHAJI, support our fathers, the leaders of OHAJI, the upper social cultural organization of the OHAJI nation, to say the people who say OHAJI will not be part of the proposed law or Anim state. As much as we support the creation of additional states in the southeast, the political zone, the people of OHAJI insist we remain in Imo state with Owerri as its capital. It is our prayer that the voice of the people of OHAJI would be given utmost attention, as it is our fundamental right to determine where we should belong. 9. We also call on the leadership of National Assembly to consider creating 3 local government areas out of the present OHAJI district. I have informed the press that OHAJI have a population of 400,000 people with 958.010 square kilometers. So OHAJI have what it takes to be given 3 local governments. And I want to also inform you that OHAJI district, Owerri district, and Anim district was created at the same time. But now, Owerri district have like 3 or 4 local governments. Anim district have 3 or 4 local governments, yet OHAJI district still remain one and also merge with Ebema up till now. So let the federal government look at all these facts, and why giving southeast additional states, they should give OHAJI like 3 more states, 3 more local governments. So these are the things we needed to put out there for people to look at it and know that we are not selfish in our agitation to remain in Imo state and to have more local government. Conclusively, we are highly disappointed with Senator Ostia Izunaso, who clamored for the creation of Anim state. It is important to note that since the clamor for the creation of additional states in the southeast now, Senator Ostia Izunaso has not deemed it necessary to consult the leaders and stakeholders of OHAJI to know where they actually want to belong in the unfolding dispensation. Rather, he was busy trying to censor our freedom of expression and conspicuously hindering our leaders from making presentations during Southeast public hearing organized by House of Representative Committee on State Creation. Based on the foregoing, based on this attitude, based on this attack on the leaders of OHAJI in the last public presentation at Ezimo Palace in Imo State, we, the youth of OHAJI, have unanimously passed vote of no confidence on Senator Ostia Izunaso. Say we are not going to accept that from you. OHAJI! Those who support the motion that Izunaso To be passed, vote of no confidence on Izunaso. Say aye. Aye. Those who say nay, nay. The ayes have it. On this note, Izunaso, we have passed vote of no confidence on Senator Osisi Izunaso. So from today, he is not speaking for the people of OHAJI again. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have for you today. Thank you and God bless you.
The capacity, you president.
In case you are seeing my video for the first time, I remain the Deputy Jesus. You can call me Professor Black and White, that perpendicular bisector. Ta 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 Igbo Queen, ya. Ta 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 Igbo Queen, ya. Queen, ya. Queen's well, yeah, hey. Ndị OHAJI, ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Igbo amaka, onye aya na nwanne ya, ọnụnube nwanne agba n'ọsọ. Maka ndị Igbo kwuru okwu sị, n'elu nke nwanne ọya na. This is the act of brotherhood. This is an act of brotherhood. This is the deepest show of affection of brotherhood. I no go lie for you. This is what we have been expecting from the people who occupy the territory called Anim State. Yes, this has been what I've been saying. We can't go there and be protesting. No. You know when we protested the last time in Anioma, some people say that it is the Southeastern Igbos that are coming to protest. When we do our things, no. It has always been us protesting, demanding for Anioma State. And to show that these people are also interested, look at it here. Press release by the youth of OHAJI, telling them they are making vote of no confidence on Senator Osita Izunaso. You see, this is what we are talking about. When men come out to speak, say this is what we are, we don't want this, we want to remain here. Let them create the state in another place. I've heard some Ihiala people saying we don't want to join any state. We love Anambra the way it is. I have some Egbema people. We have heard now from OHAJI people, and more is coming to pass. Like I said initially, it is not a wrong thing to demand for an state. It is not wrong. They are doing the right thing. Everybody who have asked for a state in the Southeast, whether it's Aba State, Etiti State, Adada State, or Lu State, including the Anim State, nobody is doing the wrong thing. It is what is demanded for. Everybody wants a state in order to develop, in order to bring government closer to them. You might look at those who are agitating it from the selfish interest of it, but there are some other benefits that will come to the people, even those who rejected it. But in the case of this particular demand, it is for a bigger advantage for the entire Igbos to look at the Anioma State instead of looking at it from the Southeastern zone alone. That is the beauty of this particular state creation and the demand that comes with it. Either that would have been a favored place. Aba State would also be good. They have been agitating for long. Etiti State or Rashi State, there are so many of them. But Anioma is more important. Not just because we, the Aniomans, wanted a state, or because we claim with fact and evidence that we are the longest agitating people to join the Southeast. That's not only the thing, but the beauty of solving identity crisis with it, the beauty of expanding the territory of the Southeast, the beauty of bringing back your brothers to the fold, the beauty of expanding the Igbo population. That is, there are more beauty to it while having an Anioma State. The beauty supersedes other things we want to talk about, apart from the economic that the Anioma people will experience, Apart from that, there will be a share link between the Anambra Imo states to the Anioma people. We understand this economic exchange, the bilateral relationship, state intermarriage and everything. Apart from that, the beauty of increasing in population, that when they count Southeast, they won't say it's a dot again. We should look beyond just that Southeast, but look at the bigger picture. Something that will benefit the entire Southeast, that will make everybody who is a Igbo man, even in South, to smile. Because as I'm talking to you, once Anioma State is created, those are our brothers in Kogi, Benue, and those are our brothers in the suburb, in Sakuna, Bayelsa, or those ones in River State, we now have the confidence that one day they will be recognized in full fold and be free from the oppressors, from those who are trying to appease their land. Because as far as we are concerned, there are a lot of people who are going up and down trying to appease people's land in the name of say this is an Ijo land, this is an Ibibio land, these are Ibini land. But once the state is greatest, that boundary, that geopolitical zone carves you out and puts you in a position where you are self-governed. So I thank the OHAJI people. If you look at the map of Anim state, critically, you find out that what they are saying in that press release is truth. OHAJI and Egbom are combined together at the largest. Check out the map where the one with red down. At the largest, yet they see them as one local government instead of splitting them into one or two different local governments. So their demands are in order. Even if you don't want to give all of them local government, split them into two. Have OHAJI as one local government, leave Egbom as one local government. That is the beauty of it. They say the right thing, that they want to remain in Imo State. They don't want to be carved out. And this is the beauty of brotherhood. As it dey pain some people, it dey sweet us. As it dey pain them, it dey sweet us. As it dey sweet us, it dey pain them. This is your Sunday or Wednesday. Obrife na Sunday ọzọ na-asọ anyị. Mana in this case, ife surrender OHAJI sọrọ anyị. Anyị bụ ndị Anioma are happy. I particularly is happy. Ndị na-asụ bịa is happy. Igbo Unification Movement is happy. Whoever come up with this initiative and decided to go ahead to have this press conference, ka Chukwu okike abịa ma n'ọrụ unu ọgụ, buru unu ụzọ kpalụ n'azụ, nọ n'iru unu nọ n'azụ unu, chebe unu kwado unu 2026 ihe ọma ga-abịara unu. This local government of things that you people are demanding, the government will remember you guys. Because in the time of state creation, there are going to be more local government that will be added. And I believe if you have made your request known to the National Assembly, you will be considered. I heard you saying that you are not even allowed, your kings are not even allowed to speak in the public hearing that was hosted in Enugu by the House of Rep and the senators and the Senate. Well, it's understandable. Not everybody is given the opportunity to speak. And we understand that if the reason is because people wanted to make a stand known that you're not in an state, it's also understandable. But now that you have made this press conference, it's long-awaited press conference. It is long overdue. But at the same time, it comes at the right time because we saw them making that move to go and meet them in the National Assembly. Even though that Benjamin Kalu handled the situation by telling them, be open-minded, because the government that be might decide to extend the territory of the Southeast and go over to the other side of the Niger and create a state. We know that he gave them a hint that yes, we need a state, but it must not be within the Southeast region. It must be within the outside Southeast and carve back into the Southeast region. Zoning Anioma to the southeast is what we see you asking for by demanding to remain in Imo State. Imo State, as of today, is the third smallest state in Nigeria. The third smallest state in Nigeria. Imo State is 5,000 square kilometer. 5,000 plus square kilometer. Very small. And yet they want to see divide it again, cut from Imo State, cut from Anambra to make another state. What for? Why? Instead of you to seek for Anioma land that is 6.4 square kilometer. Anioma as of today is 6.4 square kilometer. By the time we cut the 1K joint, we should be a 1K and a cash-picking people in Edo State, which is Ekpu, Iru, Warenozo, and so many of them, we will be pursuing 7,000 square kilometers. Another big landmass, another economic and agricultural landmass to join to the southeast. Because a 1K alone, from a car to a 1K alone, has a massive land for agriculture for the southeast. And we still have crude oil, a big plantation for rice farm, a big plantation for cassava. All these Enuane, Onchubo, Tobuluku, Togwashi, massive land for farming. You understand? Then you look from Udumujuboko till you reach Awoyumi, a massive land for farming and recreational development. This is the beauty we are bringing to the southeast. Yesterday, I made a video saying the reason why Anioma people should support Anioma State. Today, you can see the reason why every Igbo man, whether in the south-south or in the north-central or in the southeast, should support Anioma State. The OHAJI youth are showing the example. They are leading the force. Every other person should come up with their own press release. If you want to support Anioma State, this is what we have been asking for. And I know that if the man comes for that these people want to protest, they will be the first to carry black cards and say, this thing we did in press conference, we can show you on the street. We don't want to join Anim State. We don't want to be carved out of Imo State. We want our brothers to be graded instead of us. Because they said it in this way, we are not selfish. We are not selfish. OHAJI youth. OHAJI Kwen. OHAJI Kwen. OHAJI Kwen Zwenu. Mmadu konobo. Our aim now is to make sure that you youths and the next generation benefit from the oil coming out from the OHAJI. The gas deposit and oil that the system and the government of the day, mostly the Imo State government, should work hard to make sure that you benefit from what is coming, because you have shown that you are not selfish. That if what is due for you are coming to your state, you use it effectively to work and build your local government. You use it effectively to work and build your environment. And you will be an example to other people within the locality. That this how to know a good leader who want things to go on. And they came together and do votes. Let the eyes have it. This shows that this kind leader, the youth leader, will be able to say, this money is coming, not sharing it. We want to use it and build hospital. We would like to use it and build school. We like to use it and build road. These are the kind of youth leaders that we need in a society, in our Igbo communities. Of course, we know that the political system might not actually like what is going on, because at this kind of youth now, they go begin to find way to frame them up that they don't want, because they are against what the government of the day, the Opuzodema-led government of the day, is trying to do in Imo State. But we believe that with our ancestor, Ndi Chiainedun Aninoga, will be with you guys. You will stand firm to defend what we have started. And we know that is the right cause. As many as the youths of all these localities that are stipulating in an state will come up to say, no, enough is enough. Why do you want to split us? Instead, bring development to us. We don't want to be another state. This is what we are looking at for. Thank you. Thank you. I don't want to stress this video. I just want to show appreciation. obi dị anyị ụtọ mbọsị nke nwanne Oyana. This is Nwanne Day. This is the day that OHAJI has shown truly that they love the Anioma people. Ndị OHAJI ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. We will pay homage when the time comes. He said, I'm out of here, Joe.